When you are in the Philippines' capital Metro Manila, the Divisoria Market is definitely something you must experience, especially if you enjoy visiting local markets. Divisoria is often called as the mother of all markets in Metro Manila because the market surely has everything. Metro Manila is home to plenty of stunning malls, but for real bargains, nothing beats the Divisoria Market. Divisoria Market remains to be the best place to visit in Metro Manila if you're looking for affordable and cheap items. This popular shopping destination for many Filipinos is located in between Tondo and Binondo in Metro Manila. You'll find here literally everything. From affordable clothes, accessories, toys, and gadgets, to decorations, fabrics or textiles, foods and everything you can think of. All in one place. This market is also definitely the perfect place for tourists who want to experience the real local culture in the Philippines. Some parts of the streets are indeed crowded and dirty, but this is already expected in most local markets. Being considered a third world country, the Philippines also has its good, bad and ugly sides, and you'll surely encounter all these when you visit the Divisoria Market. For first-time Divisoria visitors or shoppers, make sure to list down what you want to buy and try to do a research about where to get them before visiting the place, since Divisoria is huge and walking around can be tiring and overwhelming. Some tourists who visits this huge market usually make this mistake of not researching before going, so they end up going home upset as they're not able to enjoy or experience the great sight of this amazing Divisoria Market. Most people here are in fact enthusiastic and helpful, so feel free to ask anyone, particularly the security guards or vendors around the area, if in case you're confused about where to go. It is very much advisable to bring friends with you when visiting Divisoria, so you can look out for each other. You might also be surprised as you'll sometimes find here the same items which you've bought in another shopping center at a higher price, but are actually so much cheaper in Divisoria. Mall, 999 Shopping Mall, Divisoria Mall, Tutuban Center and many more. The Lucky Chinatown Mall is a popular mall in this bargain shopping capital of the Philippines, offering upscale shops and amenities, plus it also offers a vast array of fast food and fine dining restaurants. Also make sure to not miss the Filipino street foods in Divisoria. The very busy area is a fantastic place to try many delicious street foods since you'll surely see them all over the place. Expect the place to have loud noises everywhere since a lot of people from different cities and provinces usually flock to Divisoria because of its cheap prices of everything. You might read some comments on the internet telling you not to go, as there are pickpockets in Divisoria, but just like many places around the world, pickpockets are everywhere. In fact, this might be surprising to some, but the top 10 cities with most pickpockets are actually mostly in Europe. Just be sure to bring just the right amount of cash and not take your jewelries with you, and you'll definitely be safe. Also keep in mind that Divisoria Market usually has busy streets and is normally crowded, so if you hate crowds, busy streets and loud noises, then Divisoria won't be the right place for you. The best time to visit Divisoria is early in the morning during weekdays when the temperature isn't too hot and the market still has less crowds. This might not be the case during the holiday season though. As soon as the Burr month starts, the market gets crazy busy, but if you're up for a real shopping adventure, the chaotic Divisoria Market will definitely give you some of your most unforgettable moments. What did you like or did you not like about this fantastic Divisoria Market? Share your thoughts in the comments section below and don't forget to subscribe.
Pakitig sa akin, te. Wala rin. Pakitig sa akin, ha? Wala. Yan.